Welcome back to Mustard CSL Learning School. So in our last class, we learned the alphabetical sound of English language. Today we are going to learn the easy and simple formula of phonetical sound of those alphabets in English language. So let's do it. Today we are going to learn the pronunciation of these A, B, C, D. Let's see. The first one is A, like A. How? If I say ant, so I'm sounding A. Next is B, like alif ba ta sa. B, B for bat. A, bat. Okay. Ka, ka, cot, cot. Da, da for dad. A, dad. Then A for elephant, elephant. Then fa for flag, flag. Then ga for garden, ha for hall, e for intelligence, j for juice, ka for kite, la for lamp, lamp. Then ma for mother, na for nut, o for oil, p for pipe. Then qua for Q, ra for rainbow, sa for school, ta for tea, a for under, va for violin, or you can say violin, wa for water, exa, x-ray, ya for yolk, z for zebra. That's all. Thank you so much.